Hello students, I have completed all the parts in admission. So let's see now year's sum. This sum has come in 2013. So Neha and Tara are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 12 stood as follows. Capital account given, general reserve, workman compensation fund is there, creditors are there, plant and machinery, land and building, debtors, provision is there, stock, cash, all are there. They agreed to admit Prachi into partnership for one-fifth of share of profits on 1st April 2012 on the following terms. All debtors are considered as good and therefore the provision for doubtful debt is to be written back. This means the provision has to be written off. Value of land and building is to be increased to rupees 18,000. This point when given, always remember that is given by or to. If by is given, that means that is a increased amount, and if 2 is given, that means the value of building will now be finally 18,000, and you subtract old value, you will get the new value, you will get the revaluated figure. So again, value of plant and machinery is to be reduced by 2000. Here we have to subtract the 2000 from plant and machinery. The liability against workman compensation fund is determined as 2000, which is to be paid later in the year. Prachi to bring in her share of goodwill of rupees 10,000 in cash. She will further bring in cash as to make her capital equal to 20% of the total profit of the new firm. Show your workings clearly. Now, many adjustments are here. You are required to prepare revaluation, partners, capital account, balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. So one thing is revaluation account you can make immediately. So at first let's see revaluation account. So we know plant and machinery value have been reduced. Earlier its value was 12,000 and now it is increased. Sorry, decreased by 2,000. So in debit we will enter plant and machinery. Again, provision for doubtful debts we have to cancel that. So it has a credit balance, so we will debit that. So debiting that will lead to creating it in revaluation account. And again, land and buildings value have been decreased by 4,000. So revaluation profit is 6,000 and it will be distributed between Neha and Tara in old profit sharing ratio. Now let's see some workings through which it will be made. So first thing is that we have to find out the value of goodwill and new profit sharing ratio also. So when 10,000 will be, see the working number 2, when 10,000 will be brought by Prachi, how that will be distributed. So earlier the value of goodwill was 50,000 because Neha because Prachi is bringing 10,000 as 1 by 5th, so total value will be 50,000. So that was distributed in 3:2. And now let's see what is the new profit sharing ratio. So remaining share for Neha and Tara, and nothing has been said, so their mutual sharing ratio will be 3:2 only, the older ratio. So 4 by 5 of 3 by 5, 12 by 25, and Tara's share will be 8 by 25, and Prachi's share will be 5 by 25. That means 12 is to 8 is to 5. Now we will distribute the goodwill in this ratio only. 12 is to 8 is to 5. So we will get 24,000, 16,000 and 10,000. So we can easily understand here that Neha is sacrificing 6,000 and Tara is also sacrificing 4,000, and that 10,000 is going to Prachi. So let's see now the capital account. So by balance CD 8,000 and 10,000. Neha's and Tara's capital. General reserve will be distributed. Workmen compensation fund. Now workmen compensation fund is payable to the extent of 2,000. That means the balance 3,000. You know, all the funds are distributed among the partners. If any new partner comes, so 3,000 will be distributed in 3:2 ratio between Neha and Tara. Again, for premium of goodwill, as Neha and Tara are sacrificing 6,000, 4,000, so their capital account will be credited by that. Here, by premium for goodwill will be entered because no goodwill will be maintained in the books, and revaluation profit will be transferred to capital accounts credit side. Now we will see how Prachi is bringing new capital. So capital adjustment of Neha and Tara. Let's see. Here it is wrongly printed. It will be Neha and Tara. So opening balance will be 18,000. Again, general reserve, premium for goodwill, workman compensation, all will be totally added, and evaluation profit. After adding this, 49,000 is the combined capital of Neha and Tara. Now 49,000 is equivalent to 4 by 5 because Prachi is having 1 by 5. So 4 by 5 is remaining for Neha and Tara. So 49,000 divided by 4 by 5 will lead to 61,250, and 1 by 5 of 61,250 will be 12,250. So in her account she will bring 12,250 as the capital. So now we will get two balance BD, two balance CD of every capital account. So here after balancing this we are getting. Again, let's see now balance sheet. In balance sheet all the revalued figures are there. Land and building, plant and machinery, debtors, there will be no provision from now on. Stock will 1,000 will be brought as premium for goodwill. 12,250 will be brought as capital, and 3,000 was the old balance. So total balance now become 25,250. And capital account, we have got balance from capital account. We will transfer that. Workman compensation payable will be entered here only because that will be paid at the end of the year. So we will keep that in book, and later on when we will pay it, that will be cancelled, and creditors will appear at the older figure. So this is how these kind of sums are made. Calculation of new sharing ratio, calculation of capital, workings are the main things. So concentrate on working. I am sending one or two sum. So try to solve that. Then you will be able to solve the admission sums. Thanks.